Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into of Disney most uh, magical and beloved movies, Aladdin. Does this live-action remake capture the crime of the original animation classic, or does it bring something completely new to the table? Stay tuned as we explore the story, character, visual, soundtrack, and the action of the film. So grab some popcorn and let's get started. Okay, Chapter 1, the complete story. Chapter 1, Street Deer meets a princess. Long ago, in the magnificent kingdom of Agrabah, there lived a young man named Aladdin. To most people, he was nothing more than a common street thief who spent his day running through crowded markets, stealing bread and fruit just to survive. But beneath his mischievous smile was a keen here that the boss to ignore those in need. Whenever he managed to steal Knoxford, Aladdin after shot it with hungry children and struggling families. He believed then even though he had very little kindness cost nothing. His closest companion was Abu, a clever little monkey who never left his side together. They searched for opportunities, escapes from a place, a court, and dreamed that one day their lives will become something greater than endless poverty. Every morning, the street of Agrabah come alive with merchants shooting, musicians performing, and travelers arriving from distant land. Uh, while everyone close fortune, Aladdin counts something much more valuably, a chance to change his destiny, not for a while. Instead, the magnificent royal bliss, Princess Jasmine live a completely different life at home, surrounded by luxury, beautiful gardens, and devoted servants. She feels trapped by the traditions of the kingdom. As the Sultan's only daughter, Jasmine was expected to marry a priest and eventually continue the royal bloodline, but Jasmine wants that something more. She wants that the freedom to cause her own future and believe she could become a wise ruler would truly understand her people. Unfortunately, many members of the royal court believe that our moment soul uh, simple follow tradition instead of leading a kingdom. One afternoon, Jasmine decided she had seen a knock of please leave disguising her sleep in simple doctors. She secret sleep out of the place with her loyal handmaid Delia, eager to express the real Agrabah for her Hershey. The bustling marketplace immersion here. Children mm, lockhead while chasing one another talks. Narrow streets merchant displayed colorful fabrics, sparkling jewelry, fragrant fish, and delicious food from every corner of the world. Everything feels alive. However, Jasmine curiosity son got here into trouble, saying a hungry little boy staring at a lot of brick. She kindly handed him an apple from a nearby fruit stand, unaware that she has supposed to pay for it. The angry merchant immediately cautioned for of stealing. Waiting second, police guard and local officer surrendered here. Just when it seemed impossible to escape, a familiar voice interrupted, "Leave here alone." It was Aladdin, thinking quickly here pattern that Jasmine, his Astor, and cracks the cleaver. Distraction. Before anyone realized what had happened, he grabs her hand and together they sprint towards the crowded street. The chase the followed was trailing the charms across rooftop. Kim Klimbet's narrow wall sit beneath it hanging laundry and narrowly escapes the quartz at every turn. The charms across rooftop Klimbet's narrow wall slid beneath it hanging laundry and narrow escaping the guardian at every tram. Eventually, after losing everyone who was chasing them, Aladdin led Jasmine to his secret home hid above the city. It was a place. It was even comfortable. It was a small bonnet building overlooking a grave. But from that rooftop, the entry a city located. Makishal benefit the setting sun. For the first time in years, Jasmine left completely free. The two spin horse talking. Aladdin administered that all talks. People saw him as a turn he dreamed of becoming someone respected. Jasmine confessed that although she was a princess, she often felt like a prisoner inside her own place, despite coming from completely different worlds. They realized they share the same desire to control their own future instead of letting security decide for them. As night fell, a quiet connection began to grow between them. Neither of them wanted the evening to end, but their peaceful moment was interrupted. Royal Guardi finally. Wait, discovery Jasmine location. Before leaving, Jasmine thanked Aladdin with a warm smile. Only after she was escorted back to the place. Did Aladdin discover the truth? The mysterious young woman he had spent the day with was none other than Princess Jasmine herself. His heart sang, a poor street thief could never hopes to win the heart of a princess, or so he believed. Watching everything from the shadow was Jafar, the Sultan's ambitious royal advisor. Unlike the keen-hearted Sultan, Jafar had only bought power. For years he had searched for someone worthy of entering the legendary Cave of Wonders, a magical place hidden depths within the desert. According to ancient magic, only one person, the demon in the rocks, could enter the cave and retrieve his mysterious magic lamp hidden inside. When Jafar saw Aladdin, he became convinced that this young street thief was the one he had been searching for. That very night, while Aladdin sat alone thinking about Jasmine, please guard suddenly captured him. Without explanation, they drags him into darkness beneath the place. Aladdin had no idea that this ordinary life had just come to an end. I hit of him lion adventure filled with magic, danger, impossible choice, and a destination greater than he could never imagine. Okay, wait. Mm, 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 mm. Capture to the Cave of Wonders and the Magic Slam. Uh, Aladdin. As the month, wait, as the moon cast its silver light over Agrabah, Aladdin found himself imprisoned beneath of the royal palace comforts and Frankenstein. He had no idea where he had been. Arrested moment later, an all mysterious prisoner once thrown into a shamkal. The old man spoke in a calm but convincing voice. He claimed to know secret that could change Aladdin live forever. In reality, the old man was Jafar in disguise, hiding his true identity behind powerful magic. Jafar to Aladdin, about of legendary treasure hidden deep, waiting the treasure inside. Please now as the cave of wonder. Constance warriors, king and treasure hunter had tried to enter but none had returned alive. The cave is protected by ancient magic. The old man explained it only allows one person to enter, the demon in the rocks. Aladdin thinks and understands what that means, but before he could ask more questions, the old man secret helped him escape from prison. Together, they drive across the silent desert under the cover of darkness. After hours the working thought and the sun dawns, they finally arrive at an incredible shot. Shake, rising from the desert floor was the enormous stone hit a roaring tiger. Its glowing eyes stand into the darkness as if it were alive. Suddenly, the ground begins to shake. Shock. A deep voice sang across the desert. Wooders entered the cave of wonders. Jafar orders Aladdin to step forwards. The magical tiger examined him carefully before spying on some more. The diamond in the rocks might enter the grand tiger slowly opened its mouth, revealing a hidden entrance leading deep beneath the treasure. Before Aladdin enters, Jafar gave him one simple introduction, thus nothing except the lamp. Aladdin nods and courteously steps inside. The cave was unlike anything he had ever imagined. Mountains of gold joined her father, and then the Ayah's cold sea, and sim crowns, Prince Jetful glittering sword, and constantly treasure violet every counter of the camp. It was enough will to make anyone forget the onset wall, as Abu Star and the truth will with Ayah's Aladdin demand him not to talk anything. They convened deeper into the cave until they reached a narrow pit suspended above a sea of molten lava. At the end of the bridge stood a small stone pedestal, resting upon its once and all dusty old lamp. If looked at superficially, ordinary compared to the mounds of the torso surrounding it, slowly Aladdin waltzed across the bridge and Prescott picked up the lamp. For a brief moment, everything seems peaceful, but then disaster struck, unable to uh, temptation Bao grabbed a magnificent ruby from a nearby pile of treasure, unable to resist temptation. Abu grabbed magnificent ruby from installation. The entry cave begins to tremble violently. The walls cracked. Massive rocks crashed from above. River of lava busts the ground. The cave of wonders had awakened. Run! Aladdin shouted, holding uh, sticks to the time he hand above raised back across the collapsing bridge as from erupted around them. The exit was getting closer. Just as the reached the opening, Jafar started out his hand. Give me the lamp, trusting the old man. Aladdin hand it over, but instead of helping him escape, Jafar threats to leave him trapped forever. Realizing he had been betrayed, Aladdin held into the edge key of the cave while Abu quickly grabs the lamp back from Jafar. Furious, Jafar lost him grip the cave entrance slams shut. Aladdin uh, and Abu were trapped deep underground. Everything becomes silent with no escapes in sight. Aladdin sat down in defeat. As he looked at the old lamp, he seeks in an embarrassingly rooted in dusty surface. From a swing, a goal of blue smoke emergency gigantic careful figure with a booming lock. I am the genie of the lamp. The Magisal be painting floats the talk. The cavern with unlimited energy and endless jokes. Aladdin started in complete disbelief. Uh, the Kyari smiled broadly. Congratulations, you are no my master. I can grant you their wish. There are only a few rules. I can kill anyone. I can make some truly fall in love, and I can bring the trees back to life. Aladdin looked them at the lamp in his hand. Only moment ago he had been poor, street thief, trapped inside collapsing cave. Now he possessed the man power Magisal earthed in the world. With strong relaxation, it Aladdin destiny had changed forever. The adventure was only beginning. Okay, thank you so much.